305, I got us. On my way to making checks with double commas. Piling up to blow a couple bags with all y'all. And crush your ever wishing I come back when I'm done. Step before I get harm done. Hit that lift for my soul.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a makeup look with affordable products you can find here in Bloemfontein or Welkom, anywhere in South Africa basically. I have my eye contacts. One eye contact was literally 50 rand. I bought it in Bloemfontein, downtown. At any Asian store basically you could get it. Yeah, so I put those on, and yeah, my eyes look kind of big, I must say, because of them. Disclaimer, my eyebrows look crazy. I know. It's been a while since I've done eyebrows, probably longer than a year or half of a year since I've done my eyebrows, and every time that I have to do them, I'm relearning how to do it. So you're watching me learn right now. Then I use my LA Girl Snow Cover Foundation, as well as this other one, which was in the color number 3. It's from the dollar store. I don't know, it's a knockoff, I don't know. All I know is it was 15 rand and it was worth it because I love how it works. Then the same foundation, I just mixed it and put it on my face. I don't know, I just like using my fingers. It just makes me feel like something is working. I don't know what I'm talking about, but you'll see throughout this video I'll be using my fingers quite a lot. I love using my fingers. I feel like I get the result I want faster when I use my fingers. Then I just blend the makeup, also going over the eyelids. And because I'm going to be wearing a wig, I don't always necessarily cover the whole forehead with makeup because some of it is going to be covered anyway. And usually when you're going to lay your lace wig, you don't want foundation to be there. But I'm not going to lay mine today, so I'm still not going to do it. Yeah, it's a preference. Who's going to know? I'll let you snatch my wig. Don't snatch my wig. It's not going to happen. And then we have the Smash foundation. I bought it at Cosmetics, which was 25 rand at Cosmetics. And then I just put that under my eyes to brighten it up a bit. Then I just drag it along my eyes. So yeah, I find that when you drag the lighter color or foundation upwards, it kind of gives you a facelift. So I put that there as well as on my forehead a bit and around my mouth area to brighten that area up. I don't know what I'm doing, guys, but this is how I generally would do makeup on a random day. Today's a random day, and every day I have a different way of doing my makeup, and today you're seeing a different one. Then I just take my eyeshadow palette, my Too Faced eyeshadow palette, which I bought a very long time ago, but I know it was very affordable. It was probably 80 rand at the dollar store, and I just used that. And the brush you're using is part of the Anastasia brow brush collection, Huda Luxury Powder. I think I bought this one for 25 rand. Alternatively, I use baby powder. How I use that is I mix it with my I use it with my makeup powder for setting. But today I'm just going to use the Huda Luxury Powder, setting powder. So I decided to randomly choose eyeshadows, colors for this look for today. And yeah, red, as well as a nude brown color type thing, and an orange. So I was going to build around those 3 colors. I ended up choosing, so I applied those colors and started with the nude brown, then with the red, and ended with the orange at the end of the eyelid. Still, as you can see, I'm using my fingers.
Reason why I don't fuck with you, dog. Honestly speaking, my nigga, man, I don't need a crew, dog. But show what you say, then it's fucking, man, we gon' run for good time. Quit hating on the lame, yeah. Damn, he put the record on.
Clean up the bit of the mess and took some black to give it some depth, just to make it a bit more bolder. It was looking a bit bland for my liking.
All the shit is what you can't find, yeah. All the honeys all on that divine, yeah. What I do, I put.
And then I just took a piece of tissue and put it underneath my eye for the fallout in case the color fell on my makeup. So yeah. And with the black, I just dragged it.
Super fucked, I even super cut off the reason why a nigga get laid for. She like Jada when I put filet down. Current crush the one I laid down. Couple of zeros on my mind laid down. I'm just trying to get paid strong, so the mission is flexing on them visas. Black power on them nigga Viva. Only thing I'm chasing, don't freedom, man. I'm on some buddy with my diva. Probably thinking never for a lot of reasons, and it's fuck all you niggas who wait. I should've known you folks and do what it gets just to show you that.
And I decided, okay, fine, I'm going to put the black further upwards, so I blended it by smudging it upwards.
Everybody know that I do not give a fuck about what you be assuming. Okay, down. Quit hating on the lame, yeah. Damn, he put the record on straight, yeah. Really ain't my fault, but it's okay, yeah. Now my fault, I'm right, you what you mean, yeah. All the shit is what you can't find, yeah. Shit is what you can't.
Yeah, as you can see, I did not know what I was doing. I was just like, yeah, whatever. And I tried measuring from my lip, the edges of my lips, from my nose, from the curved part or the inner part of my nose. I just made that up, guys, but I was just measuring to make sure that they were the same angles on both sides. And I took some more foundation, same foundation, nothing changed, and I cleaned the bottom. I think I went in to clean it a few times because yeah, there were mistakes made. Then I just patted it lightly with the makeup sponge. Forgive my mirror, guys. I was doing makeup before this and I didn't realize that it was messy at the back of my mirror, so sorry. I also randomly picked a bronze color. I know it's hard to believe that it was randomly picked because it kind of goes with the theme, but yeah, that was one of the colors, as well as yellow. Yeah, also used yellow. Put it in the corner of my eyes because I realized that bronze or copper color, whatever, was not doing much on the eyes. Then I have this glitter palette. It's not a palette. So I used this little glitter. I don't know what to call it actually. I bought it at home here in Welkom, if you're living in Welkom. Somewhere actually. But then me telling you where specifically would tell you my location. So, but anyway, this is one of my more expensive splurges, which was 65 rand. I know 65 rand isn't a lot, but for this, for a cheapskate like myself, I was like, but I really love it, and it's not sticky, but it stays on the eyelids very well. I took a brown from that. No, I took a orange from that and put it on the pre-existing orange and blend of red. And then I put some, I think I put white eyeshadow in the inner corners of my eye. This mascara is a duo mascara, and it was 15 rand as well. It has 2 adjustments. I only used one, but I showed it in one of my videos. I think it was the video about body image and insecurities, the very first one. So yeah, these Avon beads or powder beads, whatever you call them. If my mom is watching this, I hope you're okay, Mom. I hope you're okay. You weren't using these. And like, you weren't using these, right? You were using these. So I just put them along because I felt like they just bronze up the face and you look a bit goddessy. Is goddessy even a word? I don't know. The other one that I use is a powder which I bought at cosmetics, and then I use this puree shadow color from my Too Faced peach palette, and yeah, just put that on the tip of my nose. It's kind of pinkish, so I kind of like it. Okay, I use it a lot. Here we are, guys. I'm done. I did not lay my wig, so yeah. Some NYX setting spray. Yep, from the dollar store. It was 25 rand. Yeah, and I just set my face with that. I also used the opal lipstick, the blue one, as well as some navy blue. I don't know if that is the color, but the navy blue from the fashion palette that I've been using. I like using the palette on top of my lipsticks. I feel like it gives my lipsticks a bit more bolder look, and it makes the lipstick matte. I like matte looks. We are completely done, and thank you for watching, and I'm loving it. I feel cute, and I don't know what you guys think, but that was fun. Bye guys.